look at that run right there. Dude, Lasik wins the thing. Wow, that was a heck of a drag race right there. Mansky bumping it in. See what's going to happen. Oh! Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that was not what we thought was going to happen. Your champion is Derek Cooper out of Littleton, who had a great straight as a string run, but Mansky's car lit the tires up and turned left. Holt Group, pre-stage, now all the way in. Greenberg bumping in. Oh, and Greenberg leaves perfect. That thing runs A to B, no problem. Holtgrew leaves the starting line, and it backfires with a big ball of flame right up through the hood scoop.
The seasick crocodile.
Look at that, and Brylan wins it. Brylan Holder out of Bakersfield. Congratulations to that team. Orello is away. Both of them motoring on down there. Who's it going to be? The win goes to Tim Orello. No, I'm kidding. Nate Berger, both of them away. Nate out of the groove. Whoa, what's it going to be? Wow, look at that. Bill Hispeller takes it. Gage, you got another one, big dog.